Alright guys, so here's the thing. I was hoping to like this. It seemed like it was working really well the last few days. I was sending it around the whole house cleaning. I was picking up a lot of dust. You know, dustbin was working very well. Dust, no issues. Today it was a test. We did rice and a lot of hair. So I had my wife cut my hair today. And I figured I'd let the vacuum cleaner pick it up. Well, that was a bad idea. I'll show you in a second. It gets stuck in the bristles and the rice just went everywhere. And I had to get my Dyson, and Dyson's not very good on rice either. So I was having to get like the little attachment just to pick up little pieces of rice. So that was not fun. So yeah, this will be definitely going back to the store. I was really hoping to like it, but I just couldn't. I think the better one might actually be the Roomba because it has two rollers. They're both rubber, so hair doesn't get wrapped in it, which would be perfect for this. So since I have a pet, this one's not going to cut it. And it picks up some of the hair, but a lot of it left behind. Alright, so this is what happens with hair. It gets caught in these bristles, and it is so hard to remove. I mean, I have to go like this to get it out. You can see it. I've been trying to use the little broom tool they give you, little brush tool, whatever it is, and I'm basically having to just pull it out myself. Because, so say if your dog or cat or something has small hair like this, this is definitely not the vacuum for you. I did have to go around with the Dyson and clean everything, so I say this is a fail, and I'm probably going to return this. Yeah, it's definitely leaving hair. So I'm going to just keep it on full power because I want it all. Sorry, I don't have the best of lighting right now. So here's what he's done so far. He's going back over the same spot. So earlier he missed some hair, and it looks like it's picking it up again. So the hair it missed, yeah, it's actually picking it up. I mean, there's some little ones still around, but not much. I mean, I did have a lot of hair on the floor. So we're going to go ahead and pause this real quick and take a look at the
Dust box out.
So, I mean, that's a lot of hair from earlier. So let's go ahead and empty this out real quick just to see if it gets everything. The rice kind of just threw around. It kind of sucks. So let's do. Where is it at? I think if I put on charge, it will go home and empty its bin. It's gonna get really loud, so if you have headphones, sorry.
Dark dust. Dust connecting is completed.
So it sounds like it got a lot. The rice is not a thing that you want to try to pick up with this. It kind of spreads it around a little more than I was expecting.
It's charging.
It's a charging.
The dust box out.
So here's the test. So it didn't do the rice like I thought it would, and it left some hair. So let's go ahead and try it again.
Dust box back. Dark dust. Dust connecting is completed. It's charging. Dust box out.
So did the second time do it? I hear some in there, and I still see some. So I'm not sure, maybe this flap has too much pressure on it. Maybe it just doesn't seat well around here.
Please put back the dust box before starting.
I think it's a design thing more than anything. I think that it's not getting a good seal.
Dark dust collecting. Dust collecting is completed.
Okay.
Dust box out. Stop recharge.
So, wow, I got most of it. I got all the hair definitely this time. Left a little rice. Oops. Yeah, that's all I do is just put that on there. And it actually seems like it helps. So, maybe I'll go buy some rubber gasket, stick it on, and see if it helps there. Because I think that's the issue really. This thing right here doesn't protrude enough when the robot back's on it.
Dust box back. Start dust collecting.
And try to do something.
Stop recharge. Start dust collecting. Start dust. Dust box out. Stop recharge.
So, I got almost all the rice that time.